The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has again highlighted the need for the use of body-worn cameras by police. In a report tabled in the House of Representatives on Wednesday, the Commission recommended that some of the videos being circulated of clashes between citizens and the police be used as teaching tools so that these incidents become less frequent. Anthony Lugg has more in this report.
These are just some of the encounters between the police and civilians that have been caught on camera. Though it's not clear what led to some of the encounters, this particular video involves a motorist and the police. An INDECOM report tabled in Parliament on Tuesday focused on stop and search activities by the police and how they enter and search private premises. INDECOM found that officers are still conducting stop and search actions that are not permissible, and that many people are of the mistaken belief that the police can stop and search an individual without a reason. One would have thought this was a thing of the past. In a 2013 Supreme Court ruling, Justice David Batt stated that the police had no powers to arbitrarily stop and search vehicles, and that officers required lawful reason to stop a vehicle for a search. 8 years later, the Commission continues to receive complaints that the practice continues. In many of the complaints, allegations of unprofessional conduct are also cited against JCF members, some which frequently lead to verbal spats, person allegedly assaulted, and thereafter arrested. INDECOM says while this appears to be in a minority of reported instances, it's still unacceptable. It adds that such behavior is now more frequently observed with the increasing circulation of videos on social media platforms of interactions between police and citizens. INDECOM stressed the need for the increased use of body-worn cameras, noting that it will not only help to hold wearers accountable when in breach, but also vindicate an officer from a false report. In terms of the complaints for the first quarter, 14 are with INDECOM's legal department, 11 cases continue to be investigated, and a further 11 closed following further examination. So far, no officer has been prosecuted or disciplined in respect of any illegal search or illegal entry complaint made by a citizen. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.